NYnet represents one of Europe's largest public sector-led open access broadband initiatives that provides isolated rural and coastal communities in North Yorkshire with high-speed broadband connectivity. Following investment from Yorkshire Forward and the European Regional Development Fund, the capacity of the NYnet network will be made openly available to encourage internet service providers to the region. NYnet's aim is to stimulate North Yorkshire's economy and provide businesses with the resources they need to succeed. NYnet provides a faster, better and cheaper broadband service that meets the demands of today's public and private sectors, representing a significant inward investment opportunity for companies considering locating within North Yorkshire.
NYnet made the decision to invest in its data centre. In 2010, having established our network with 750 sites on net, we saw a logical extension of this being the provision of data centre services to all of those customers. So having the data centre on the network is a specific benefit for our customer base. The requirements of the public sector are evolving over time and changing. Of course, many of the services which are presented on the network need to be extra secure, and that's why we chose a Tier 3 data centre facility, which covers things like resilient power, resilient connectivity and air conditioning into the facility. The power to the site is fully backed up with the inclusion of things like UPS and diesel generators, which provide power backup in the event of mass failure of power to the site. Services within the data centre are fully monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Once a customer is running live, they can take advantage of a remote hand service, which includes such things as remote reboot of servers, insertion of physical media, and testing and diagnostic services. The data centre meets the most stringent requirements in terms of air conditioning, temperature control, diverse connectivity, and a secure environment, of course. Most projects begin with some sort of consultancy engagement where we work with the customer to document and detail their specific requirements and match these to the sorts of services and service level expectations. The services cover a large range from simple co-location where a customer takes their own equipment and co-locates it within the data centre, through to things like managed server hosting where we have a number of pre-configured servers which the customer can go in and pay as they use effectively on. And then you have things like the managed storage service. Storage is an increasing problem for the majority of our customers, and we offer different tiers of storage for specific applications. And then you have virtualisation. Many of our customers are looking to virtualise their environments in order to realise savings, realise efficiency gains. In principle, all of our customer base already has access to the data centre services because they are on net to us. So we have customers in the health sector, educational customers, the majority of schools in North Yorkshire are connected to the network, and also the core council services and the social services. Public sector is increasingly dependent upon its IT services, and the provision of the data centre services is allowing us to sort of re-envisage the way that public services are delivered for our customer base.